Kate working on school project. Her laptop breaks down. She's looking a reliable IT expert to fix her laptop. She is afraid of losing her data. She knows non-professionals take weeks' time. Non-professionals deliver the jobs to other. Expense become more and more, just wasting money and time. Finally, Kate hear about DubaiRepairs.com. Wow! DubaiRepairs.com provide free help over the phone, free pickup and delivery for all hardware or water damage, free visit for laptop checkup, quick fix at lowest price. Just dial or WhatsApp 056 187 5525. Kate request for quick fix. DubaiRepairs.com fix her laptop at same day and deliver it back. She's very happy to save money and time. Kate is smart. She saved WhatsApp 056 187 5525 forever quick support. Kate found real people and IT experts. DubaiRepair.com, your last hope.